Let's make these 5 quick and healthy salads. First up is this mixed green lettuce salad with a lemon dressing. Roughly chop a bunch of mixed lettuce leaves and add them to a bowl. Wash, peel and thinly slice a cucumber and add it to the lettuce bowl. Cut the cherry tomatoes into quarters. You can use any kind of tomatoes that you have. Chop a red onion into slices and separate the rings. Add the rings to a bowl, then add some salt and hot water. Let that pickle for a few minutes. Drain the onions on a paper towel and add them to the bowl. Mix all the veggies together until they are well combined. For the lemon dressing, add 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of macadamia oil, white pepper and salt to taste. Mix that together. Serve the salad and generously add the dressing. I had this salad with some chicken fajitas. The recipe is linked on the card above. This salad bowl is very filling and nutritious. Up next is this classic Kenyan kachumbari. Thinly slice the tomatoes and add them to a mixing bowl. Slice the red onion thinly and separate the onion rings. Add them to the tomatoes. Roughly chop the coriander leaves and add them to the bowl. Add the salad seasoning and some freshly squeezed lemon juice. This kachumbari pairs perfectly with pilau and some guacamole. The third one is this creamy cabbage coleslaw. Thinly shred the white cabbage into bite-sized chunks and add them to a bowl. Finally, grate the carrot and add it to the cabbage. Mix them together until they are well combined. Add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and some mayonnaise or Greek yogurt. Mix that until the veggies are fully coated. Season with some salt and freshly ground black pepper and mix that in. Cover with cling film and refrigerate until you're ready to eat. That is perfect. It's so much better than any store-bought coleslaw. I had this with some lime, cilantro thighs and potato wedges. The recipe for the chicken is linked on the card above. The fourth one is this BLT salad with lemon poppy seed dressing. Cook the bacon on low heat until it's well done. Transfer that to a plate and set aside to cool. Grab the mixed lettuce leaves, wash, dry, and chop them into bite-sized chunks. Add that to a salad bowl. Cut the baby tomatoes into quarters and add them to the bowl. Thinly slice a red onion and separate the onion rings. Add that to the salad bowl. Cut the bacon into bite-sized cubes and add them to the bowl. Add a few coriander leaves and mix that together. For the dressing, you'll need a 1/4 cup of macadamia oil, a 1/4 cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice, mustard, salt, lemon pepper, and 1 teaspoon of poppy seeds. Cover and shake the mason jar to emulsify. That's perfect. Serve the salad and add the dressing. This salad bowl is very satisfying and nutritious. Finally, we have this classic guacamole. Slice, pit, and peel the avocados and add them to a mixing bowl. Add some freshly squeezed lemon juice. Mash the avocados until you get a smooth consistency. Thinly dice half a red onion and add it to the mashed avocados. Remove the seeds and the insides of 1 ripe tomato. Thinly cube the tomato and add it to the bowl. Crush, peel, and mince a garlic clove. Mix that in until they are well combined. Season with salt, cumin powder, and freshly ground pepper and mix that in. Finally, chop some coriander leaves and add them to the guacamole. That's perfect. I had this avocado salad with a beef pilau and kachumbari. Thank you for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy recipes. See you on the next one. Bye!